Hi, I am Dr. Jitendra Paswan, founder chairman Dalit Industry Association. Today is the 51st meeting of Empowered Committee on MSME, which is organized by Reserve Bank of India, Regional Office Patna. Our some agenda which is related to empowered of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the industry and business sector, which is related to economic development of our society. This point is flowing. The point number 1, 22.5% fund separate allocate for collateral free loan to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs for set up their MSME, which is announced by Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India, and Governor of RBI. The point number 2, percentage of subsidy should be increased up to 90% in CLCSS, which means credit linked capital subsidy scheme for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in Bihar. The number of cluster should be increased in each district of Bihar. In district of Bihar, CDP cluster development program should not based and focused on GI geographical indication and specific product only. In addition, groups of village and cottage industries should be included in CDP. The help and financial support to our community cluster by Spurti scheme of fund for regeneration of tradition industry and bank provide 100% subsidy and 22.5% reservation in all component like common facility center, infrastructure development, marketing hub and exhibition, thematic intervention, state innovative cluster development program. To formation in cluster, there should be must an ecosystem build up between MSME, KBIC, DIC, industry association and other. In them, 22.5% cluster should be reserved for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in Bihar. To provide 100% subsidy in technical and financial support to our community innovator, give more benefit in MSME Bank of Ideas and Innovation and Research, Hackathon, Aspire, a scheme for promotion of innovation, rural industry and entrepreneurship. To provide 100% collateral free loan with subsidy to our community innovator who wants to establish local tech support service, last mile delivery service, drops of shipping and other e-commerce in rural areas. To provide 100% subsidy in registration of IPR, ZED, TEQUP, QMS, QTT, B2B portal training and testing to SC and ST entrepreneurs. Correlate MSME PMS, MSME Samadhan, MSME Sambandh, MSME DPD, Public Procurement Policy 2012, Government e-markets for safe and secure of reservation of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in marketing assistance and tenders. Give first priority of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe and women. Give instruction to bank for provide smoothly collateral free 100% short term loan against purchase order and work order of central government ministry and CPUSU for supplier for work contractor of MSME. To ecosystem build up between RBI, NABARD, MSME, NSIC, SIDBI, SLBC, DIC and Industries Association fixed equal right and responsibility in champion that's mean creation and harmonious application of modern process for increasing the output and national strength and India SME digital platform to implement all scheme of SIDBI with 22.5% reservation and priority for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe to provide smoothly loan under Mudra, Stand Up India, CGT MSME PMEGP scheme on priority basis with 22.5% reservation for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. To give instruction to bank provide smoothly collateral free loan to hawkers and peddlers, cheap jacks, pavement trade, weekly market traders, wooden stall, inferior goods shops. To give instruction to bank for provide KCC on priority basis to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe community who involved in agriculture, agro-industry, animal husbandry and fisheries. To give instruction to bank for banking with our community labor and people for providing benefit as PM Jan Dhan Yojana, PM Jan Arogya Yojana, PM Sarma Yogi Mandhan Yojana, Public Provident Fund and PM Suraksha Bima Yojana, etc. To fix equal participation and provide benefit to scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in MSME subordinate debt, MSME fund, partial guarantee scheme of NBFC, NABARD, NHB, CDB, NBFC, HFC, MFI and Exim Bank, etc. To instruct to consider CLESSC Cash Credit Enhancement Guarantee Scheme for Scheduled Caste and IFCI Venture Capital Fund for Scheduled Caste, which is a scheme of social justice and empowerment, Government of India in RBI and SLBC agenda. Implement should be all bank. To instruct all bank in Bihar and other state to treat with our communities, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs and people in a friendly and optimistic approach. This is some point which is keep in front of Regional Director, Reserve Bank of India. Thank you.